Hello and welcome to this video on how to turn AI into your passive income machine. In this video, we'll be discussing a different idea for using AI to generate passive income that doesn't involve creating a chatbot. So, if you're interested in using AI to create a product or service that generates passive income, be sure to stick around. Step 1. Identify a problem. The first step is to identify a problem that can be solved with AI. This could be anything from automating a time-consuming task to improving decision-making processes. Step 2. Build your product or service. Once you've identified a problem, the next step is to build your product or service using AI. Depending on your skill set, you may need to hire a developer or a team of developers to help you build your product or service. Alternatively, you could consider using a platform like AWS or Google Cloud that offer pre-built AI tools that you can use to create your product or service. One example of an AI-powered product is a chatbot builder platform. Instead of creating a chatbot as I mentioned in the previous script, you could create a platform that allows businesses and individuals to easily create their own chatbots using AI. The platform would provide pre-built templates and drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy for even beginners to create a chatbot. You could monetize this platform through a subscription model, charging a monthly or annual fee for access to advanced features or for hosting the chatbots. Another example of an AI-powered product is a content generator. AI-powered content generators can automatically generate articles, blog posts, or social media posts based on a set of keywords or topics. You could create a content generator and monetize it through a pay-per-use model, charging users for each piece of content generated. Alternatively, you could offer a subscription model that provides unlimited access to the content generator. An AI-powered service could be a virtual assistant platform that uses natural language processing to understand and complete tasks for users. This could include tasks like booking appointments, managing email inboxes, or even creating reports. You could monetize this service through a subscription model, charging users a monthly or annual fee for access to the virtual assistant. Another example of an AI-powered service is a predictive analytics platform. Predictive analytics uses machine learning algorithms to analyze data and make predictions about future outcomes. You could create a predictive analytics platform that helps businesses make informed decisions about their operations, such as predicting customer churn or identifying trends in sales data. This service could be monetized through a licensing model, where businesses pay a fee to access the platform and use its predictive analytics tools. These are just a few examples of the many different AI-powered products or services you could create to generate passive income. The key is to identify a problem that can be solved using AI and then build a product or service that addresses that problem. With the right approach and execution, you can create an AI-powered product or service that generates passive income for years to come. Step 3. Launch and monetize. Once your product or service is complete, it's time to launch and monetize. There are many different ways you can monetize an AI-powered product or service, including subscription model. Charge a monthly or annual fee for access to your product or service. Pay-per-use. Charge a fee for each use of your product or service. Licensing. License your product or service to other businesses or individuals. Step 4. Promote and grow. The final step is to promote and grow your product or service. Some ways to do this include content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, and social media content that educate your audience about the benefits of your product or service. Advertising. Use paid advertising channels like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to drive traffic to your product or service. Referral marketing. Encourage your existing users to refer others to your product or service by offering incentives like discounts or free access. So there you have it, a different idea for using AI to generate passive income. Remember, this is just one example, and there are many other ways you can leverage AI to create a product or service that generates passive income. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on passive income and online business. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.